CEMB Showroom and Training Center. I know they've been showing you around all this equipment over the past couple days.
Right.
What have you decided that you're interested in for your shop?
Okay, so there's 3 machines that we're interested in at the moment. Most important machine I think we're going to go with is the ER75 Hub Match. And this one's a lot better than the equipment that we have right now. We have a much older machine that has physical buttons. This has a really nice touchscreen LCD interface, which is a lot more high-end, so we can be servicing high-end clients. This machine also has the sonar for the face of the wheel and also the tire itself. The equipment we're using right now has a giant roller that's powered by air, and it also uses a 220 volt plug. This one has no air whatsoever. It uses 110. Also, on our current machine, there's no light that actually shines inside of the barrel of the wheel itself. And this one actually has a laser guide to tell you exactly where to put the wheel base. Ours doesn't have any of that. We kind of have to guess and figure things out as we go along. And so we're definitely gonna get rid of that and go with this one.